Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make naan at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. For the leavening, grab 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast and 1/2 cup of warm water. Don't forget 1/4 cup of plain yogurt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of melted butter ready for that perfect finish. Now let's get that dough ready. Start by activating your yeast, mix it with the warm water and sugar, then let it sit for about 5 minutes until it gets foamy. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Next, add the activated yeast mixture, yogurt, and olive oil. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, place it in an oiled bowl cover and let it rise for 1 to 1.5 hours. With your dough beautifully risen, it's time to shape and cook. Gently divide the dough into 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into an oval shape, about 1/4 inch thick. Now, heat a cast iron skillet or griddle over medium-high heat until very hot. Place 1 naan piece onto the hot surface. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side, looking for bubbles to form and a golden brown color on the bottom. Once your naan is cooked, immediately brush it with that melted butter for extra flavor and shine. Serve your warm, fresh naan alongside your favorite curries, dips, or just enjoy it plain. It's truly delicious. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Any leftover naan can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.